Here's how you do a radiator leak test or a coolant leak test. I borrowed this kit from AutoZone. It's a 22 piece, and you just need to find the cap that fits your radiator expansion tank. You use your little pump, pull the collar down and place it on top here. And then you simply just pump it up. So after a couple pumps, I am not holding any air, which means there's a leak, and I actually have already diagnosed and found where it's coming from. It's coming from my thermostat here. But if you need help detecting a leak and you hear it, get soapy water and just spray it on there. And if it bubbles up, that is how you know if there's a leak. Forgot to add in the video, if you pump it up in the green zone and it will hold pressure for 20 seconds, that is how you know there's no leaks and you are all good.